Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about watchOS Beta 1. Hey there, just wanted to take a second to talk about channel partner Mint. If you need good, low-cost wireless without that pesky monthly bill, check out Mint. They have great low-cost plans at 3, 6, and 12 months, and all different kinds of data packages with unlimited talk and text. Check out Mint and the link down below. I was hoping to be doing an update on Beta 2 today, but it did not come out like everybody was expecting. So here we are with Beta 1 still. But I'm going to do a little recap on it. I know I touched on this in my iOS 17 Beta 1 video, but I want to give the Apple Watch its own dedicated video since, again, we don't have Beta 2 yet. And so far I'm liking Beta 1. The only thing that is not good is the battery life. We are not getting very good battery life at all. I know this is Beta 1, but the iPhone's battery is pretty good and the Apple Watch battery is terrible. I unplugged my Apple Watch at about 11:30 last night. I used it for sleep, and it is currently 4 o'clock the next day, and we're already down to 48%. Now, keep in mind, this 48% is with very minimal usage. I'm not on my Apple Watch. I don't text on my Apple Watch. I don't take phone calls on my Apple Watch. I don't really use apps on my Apple Watch. I really use it to check time, check weather here and there, and glance at quick notifications. So I'm not using my Apple Watch much at all outside of it just being on me for notifications. And that is what the battery life is like. Now performance is just fine. We have my little Earth watch face here. I kind of like that one. Performance is just fine. It's very snappy. There's really no stutter, no lag or anything like that. I like the control center being on this button right here rather than having to swipe up. And I really like having the swipe up for the little widgets here. It makes it a lot more useful than having to go into apps and stuff like that. So I do like those upgrades on watchOS. It makes it a lot easier to use for those simple tasks. But it definitely needs that upgrade on battery life rather quickly because that is going to get old pretty fast. Hopefully we see watchOS Beta 2 here in the next day or so. They didn't release it Tuesday, they didn't release it Wednesday, or we were totally expecting a Wednesday release. So maybe we'll get a Thursday one. If not, it looks like it might be a 3-week release cycle here on the first betas. But that's where I'm at right now on watchOS. Performance is great. All the new features are great. A lot easier to use, a lot more functional, but the battery life is atrocious. So hopefully we get that fixed here pretty quickly. But I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.